and then go ahead and turn on that disposal. Hi, I'm Sam with Abacus, and this is what I do about once a year to clean my disposal. First things first is you want to get you about a bowl of ice right here. Just let all that go down the disposal. Want to use something to help push it down. Definitely don't want to use your hand. After we get all that ice in there, what you want to do is turn on that water, let it run a little bit, and then go ahead and turn on that disposal. As you can see, we definitely got some dirty in there. So that's still pretty dirty. And I want to take another step to go ahead and try to get this disposal a little bit cleaner. Right here I have a product, has live microorganisms. It'll eat up soap scums, grease, or any type of buildup. It's a preventative maintenance. It's not gonna hurt your pipes like those products that they have in those big box stores. Your licensed plumber should definitely have one. So what we're gonna do is just pour about 2 ounces down the drain. Got a little bit of blue stuff down there. So what we wanna do is just run a little bit of water. Help push that down the drain. Turn on the disposal for about half a second. And we should be good to go. It just helps get it all inside those nooks and crannies.